Welcome back to our overview of CAPA and CAPA activities. Here we are again at our CAPA for 2 post lifts. Now, let's look at some CAPA FreeQMS activities. These are the pre-built workflows that allow companies to start using FreeQMS immediately. We will click the Activities tab at the top. This CAPA has each activity type pre-created for demonstration purposes. The first we see is verification of effectiveness. You can see the description says, perform a 6-month follow-up to see if all 2 post-lift documentation is compliant to machinery directive. After that is the Preventative Action activity. Audit other assemblies sold in Europe for compliance. Below that, Corrective Action. Update change order forms with consideration to European regulations. After that is Correction. Train engineering staff on the importance of EC regulations. Next is Investigation Root Cause. Determine steps necessary to conform to the machinery directive. Perform root cause as to why company documentation is lacking. And finally, the Containment. Identify all documentation related to 2 post lifts.